OMG, it works! I just tested this new strategy that is perfect for beginners. And thanks to this strategy, I could make several thousands. It's even more intriguing than modern digital currencies, not to mention stocks, which take years to grow. I found something even more interesting, and you don't have to wait that long. Today, I'll prove it to you using my new effective strategy with a 95% win rate. And the most exciting part? It's straightforward and accessible, even for beginners. Greetings, mighty trader! My name is Evelyn. I'm a trader with over 8 years of experience, and I get over $1 million. Drive a Mercedes G-Wagon, live in a luxurious home, and buy jewelry from the finest designers. I'm not telling you this to brag, but to show that I've achieved all this through trading, and I'm just 28. So I've already got my favorite platform, Pocket Option, opened up here. But you can use whatever works best for you. Let's take a look at what's happening with the first pair. Oh, remember, always choose pairs with a high profit percentage. Let's take a close look at the chart. Interesting. Oh, here we invest $20 on a decrease, pressing lower. In such a scenario, our decision is influenced by the long upward trend in the market. But now, after a prolonged rise, the asset is overbought and a price decrease is expected. Awesome! We've got $38 in the account. Friends, this is a great start to our trading session, and I'm thrilled by the fact that during these live sessions, I can show you how I make the right market decisions. I hope this helps you boost your self-confidence, because if I could figure this all out on my own, so can... If you're new to my channel, you're in luck. I've got a community on Telegram with over 15,000 subscribers where I spill the beans about trading absolutely free. All my subscribers do is copy my trades, and together we pulled in up to 740,000 in the last session. That's more than 800 per person. Check it out for yourself. The feedback from my followers really inspires me, and I want our community to grow even bigger. I'm waiting for each of you on my Telegram channel. Click the link in the description and in the pinned comment, and be sure to send me a direct message. Trading opens doors to a new reality. Now I want to make a trade on the second pair. I'm planning to invest $38. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, right. Going lower. Look, you can see right here we've got a support line formed, and any slight rise gonna be stopped by the volume. The bulls just don't have the strength for a strong, sustained upward trend. That was another great trade, friends. We're at $73. Moving on to the next pair. Now let's make a trade with a $73 investment. Let's see how I can increase my deposit on this pair. Checking out the chart. Right, we're going to invest in a decrease because this currency pair has started a new downward trend from the local maximum. Press lower. So now our account is at $140. We made bank because we nailed the local maximum. I get it. Figuring out the right entry points can be tricky for beginners. So if you've got any questions, shoot me a message on Telegram. We'll figure it all out together. Just follow the link. To achieve these results, I've watched successful traders, explored different strategies, studied various indicators, and spent hours analyzing charts. You can take a shortcut by subscribing to my channel through the first link in the description and get my expertise for free. Also, on my Telegram channel, I regularly post trading signals. All you need to do is join the trades with me and you can see similar results. My win rate is over 88%. Just click the link in the description and in the first pinned message. Let's keep it rolling and make a trade with $140 on the fourth pair. So we see here, after some channel action, with the bullish volumes kicking in, the price is set to rise. Press higher. Four savvy moves boosted our $20, and now we've hit $269. Yeah, that's the beauty of binary options. You can start earning with small amounts. And I'm always thrilled to show you how. And of course, I love getting your likes. So go ahead and invest your likes right now. Hit that thumbs up. I'm really loving how we nailed the market's direction on the last pair. So let's boost our deposit even more and go for another trade. investing $269. Okay, pay attention to the red candles. The bears have even more power, so on our time frame it makes more sense to invest in a decrease. Press lower right now. We are at $516, a perfect example of a profitable decision on a minute time frame. Let's make another trade, boosting our investment to $516. Key thing here is to consider our time frame again. Market volumes are low, so it makes total sense to invest our money in an increase. We go higher. Friends, this is really a great trade. We are at $991. Heck yes, trading isn't just about profit. Sometimes there are risky market situations, reversals and losing money. But even with all the risks, trading binary options is perhaps the only tool that allows to start with $20 and increase deposit almost 50 times. Available to anyone with internet access. All right, let's move on to the next pair. We're increasing our investment to $991. We've noticed that this pair has hit its local maximum. Recently, my Telegram subscribers and I discussed a similar market situation, and they already know that in this scenario, at our time frame and entry point, the smart move is to invest downward. Press lower. Awesome, I made $1,903. Nailed the local max and the perfect entry point. Remember, you have a free chance to simply copy my trades from my Telegram channel and make cash with me. Now let's make another trade with a grand. Okay, let's take a look. It's clear that this pair is in a very similar situation. The local max is forcing a price drop. Pressing lower right now. Well, that's another great deal for me. And now I have $2,823 in my account. Not bad. I'm ready to make another trade. The investment will again be a grand. Let's see what we have here. Okay, on this currency pair, the Bollinger Bands are indicating an upward market movement. Let's follow it. And let's invest on a rise right now. Press higher. Well, another good trade. As you can see, that was a reliable signal from our indicator. If you remember, I started with just $20 and now my account has $3,743. And let's make our final trade for today. Let's invest another grand. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on. Nice. We've got channel movement on the chart. And to follow the pattern, considering our entry point, we need to invest downward. Press lower. Great. Well, friends, you've seen it all with your own eyes. Remember where we started and what results we got? Did you like it? If yes, join my private trading club. Over there, not only do I run trading sessions that anyone can join for free, but I also share effective strategies, break down how to enter trades, and recognize the perfect moment. If you are a beginner, I will even show you what buttons to press on the platform. I also support all participants day by day, so my members get results right after they join the club. Can you believe it? Even with very little knowledge at the start. Yes, for some it may seem that trading strategies are difficult, but actually, everything is much easier. I personally help everyone with it. Members of the club just copy my signals, enter the trades, and get the same results as me. Remember, my win rate is over 88%. I want everyone to have the chance to make their dreams come true and find freedom, and I'm stoked to help everyone out for free, especially since I used to be desperately broke myself. And these are a few feedbacks from my my grateful subscribers who consistently achieve great results.
Thanks to your signals, thanks to your analysis,
She's basically changing my financial situations.
thanks to the information that you share in the group.
I gotta say, I didn't know anything about trading.
So if you want to start your trading career, I highly recommend you to start following her and her signals.
Thank you for responding to my messages.
Her win rate is pretty crazy.
There's a lot of people that can prove it to you.
Thank you. Mwah.
If you still have questions about today's strategy, just send me a private message in my club. I'll be sure to read everything and get back to each of you. So follow the link in the description and in the pinned comment.